Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best golf balls for 85 miles per hour swing speed that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 5, we have the Nitro Maximum Distance Golf Ball. This budget-friendly option comes in at just $11.13 for a 12-pack, making it ideal for casual golfers or those looking to save money without sacrificing performance. The standout feature here is the super reactive 2-piece titanium core, which is designed to maximize energy transfer from your club to the ball, resulting in explosive distance off the tee. A symmetrical dimple design improves aerodynamics, boosting lift while reducing drag for higher, straighter shots. The Nitro golf ball is built to last with a virtually indestructible, cut-proof DuPont lithium Surlyn cover, ensuring durability even in rough conditions. While it offers consistent ball flight and spin control, its low-compression design also gives a soft feel around the greens, a nice surprise for a ball at this price point. However, users with slower swing speeds may find it a bit less forgiving compared to higher-end options. Overall, the Nitro Maximum Distance Golf Ball is perfect for beginners or golfers on a budget. The price-to-performance ratio is hard to beat, but advanced players might notice a lack of greenside control compared to premium options. It's USGA approved, making it suitable for tournaments, but it's best for players who prioritize distance over finesse. At number 4, we have the Dow Wings golf balls, designed specifically for women, seniors, and kids with slower swing speeds. Priced at $17.99, this 6-ball pack provides effortless distance thanks to its advanced core technology, which maximizes energy transfer even at lower swing speeds. What really sets this ball apart is its ultra-low spin technology, which minimizes side spin to deliver straighter, more controlled shots, perfect for players who struggle with hooks or slices. The Dow Wings golf ball also boasts vibrant yellow coloring for maximum visibility on the course, making it easy to spot in any conditions. While the packaging is compact and convenient for golf bags, the downside is that you're only getting 6 balls per pack, which might not feel like great value compared to competitors. Additionally, its focus on slower swing speeds may not appeal to players with faster swings seeking more advanced ball dynamics. This ball is USGA and RNA certified, making it suitable for both casual and competitive play. It's a great choice for beginner golfers or those seeking improved performance with slower swings. However, advanced players or those with faster swing speeds might want to look elsewhere for more premium options tailored to their needs. Coming in at number 3 is the Tailor Made Golf Speed Soft Ink Golf Balls. Priced at $25 per dozen, these balls deliver an exceptional combination of soft feel and explosive speed, making them incredibly versatile for everyday golfers. The standout feature is the low-compression PWR core, which ensures a soft feel on iron shots and around the greens while maintaining ball speed for maximum distance off the tee. Whether you're driving or putting, the experience is consistently smooth and rewarding. The enriched Surlyn cover enhances durability and visibility, especially in the high-visibility yellow option, which is perfect for tracking your shots in bright sunlight or cloudy conditions. Tailor Made has also ensured these balls conform to tournament regulations, making them a reliable option for casual rounds or competitive play. However, while the performance at number 2, we have the Trust 2020 Bison Soft 3-piece tour balls. Priced competitively at $17.99 for a dozen, these balls are designed for golfers with swing speeds of 95 miles per hour or slower. The urethane cover provides an exceptional soft feel, making them ideal for greenside control and precision shots. The reactive core maximizes distance off the tee while maintaining a balanced performance across all areas of the game. The 3-piece construction lends itself to excellent versatility, offering a mix of distance and control without compromising durability. The ball's design is tailored for golfers who value finesse on the green and consistent ball flight, However, one downside is that its performance may not be as explosive off the tee for players with higher swing speeds, as it's optimized for slower swings. The Trust 2020 Bison soft balls are perfect for intermediate players looking to refine their short game while still achieving solid distance. The quality urethane cover and competitive price make them a great value proposition. But advanced players may consider upgrading to the 48-ball premium pack for more extended play sessions. Finally, at number 1, we have the Trust Golf Ball Bison Soft for under 95 miles per hour swing speeds. This premium option is priced at $80 for a whopping 48 balls, offering incredible long-term value for golfers who want consistently high performance without worrying about running out of balls. The 3-piece construction features a reactive core designed to maximize distance, while the soft urethane cover provides exceptional greenside control and a comfortable feel for precision shots. The ball is tailored for swing speeds of 95 miles per hour or slower, making it ideal for intermediate and advanced players seeking a balance between distance and short game finesse. The urethane cover ensures durability while delivering professional-level performance in both casual and competitive play. However, the price point might be a bit high for budget-conscious golfers or beginners who are still experimenting with their game. The Trust Golf Ball Bison Soft is the ultimate choice for players committed to improving their game while enjoying premium materials and consistent performance. While the upfront cost is steep, the 48-ball pack ensures long-term value, making it perfect for regular players who want to elevate their skills. This ball is the best option on the market for golfers with 85 miles per hour swing speeds who want premium quality and reliability. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.